Good morning, party people. So for today's video, we're gonna run through how to get a custom suit with the team at Indochino. These guys have sponsored this video, so thank you very much. We're gonna go through, I've been bulking, I've put on a fair bit of size, and so my suits don't fit me currently. So we're gonna go through now and show you the process of ordering a brand new suit from these guys. It's a 2-week turnaround, it's incredible. They just launched within Australia, so I'm gonna test out this system now. So without further ado, we're gonna go to my account. Now the first thing we need to do here is get me measured up. So we go to the measurements part under my account, and we put get measured now. Put in my height, 172.5 centimeters. I'm currently 83 kilograms, and I'm 30 years old. This is essentially like a frequently asked questions done for you guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is call my lovely assistant / girlfriend to come measure me.
Ooh. Measure around your neck.
Okay, so we've measured, put in my basic measurements. Now we're gonna go through and measure me body part by body part. So the first thing you can do here, there is a little video that shows you how to do it. I've already watched this, so now my lovely lady is gonna come and help measure me. So, the neck.
Just pull as tight as possible, right? It's 40.
40 centimeters. Exactly 40?
Yeah.
40 centimeters. Next. Shoulders. Do you want to see how to do the shoulders?
Shoulders to shoulder? Yeah.
Identify the bones at the top edge of each shoulder. Measure from bone to bone over the natural curve of your back.
47.
47 centimeters. Biceps.
Both these will be huge.
No, they're not. We measured them.
Relax your arms at your sides.
3 centimeters.
Wrap the tape measure around your bicep in line with your nipples.
38.
Start from the bone at the top edge of your shoulder and measure to your elbow. Hold the tape measure there and continue measuring to your wrist, just below your wrist bone.
58.
Wrap the tape measure around your wrist, just below your wrist bone.
17.
Torso length.
Oh.
Measure from the highest point of your shoulder at the base of your neck, straight down your torso, in line with your first thumb joint.
72.
Measure around your chest, beneath your armpits, and in line with your nipples.
Don't flex.
Going to get it. Yeah.
I can't reach.
We get a bigger measuring girl. Measuring
106.
106?
Yeah. When are we
Wrap the tape measure around your stomach in line with your belly button. Ensure the tape measure is level all the way around.
Don't you dare touch my belly. Fun fact, I don't like people touching. That's not my belly button.
Oh, no,
That's why I
don't
pointed to
touch
it.
it.
I don't like people touching my belly button. That's a fun fact about me. Let's see.
84.
84 cents.
Locate your waist by placing 4 fingers beneath your belly button. Wrap the tape measure around your waistline just below your 4th finger. Ensure the tape measure is level all the way around. Please note that your natural waistline may not match the waistline on the pants you're wearing.
87.
Wrap the tape measure around your hips at the widest point of your bum.
Get to touch
Ensure the tape measure is level all the way around.
Film this from an angle, it doesn't make it look creepy.
Oops. 101.
Got that booty! Yeah, so you can see here, it's got this like really nice textured print to it, nice and dark color. So I'm gonna go customize now. We're gonna go unstructured. Go for peach lapels. Gonna go for a round patch pocket. 2 buttons. Gonna go for dark tan, actually dark brown buttons. Gonna go for patch pockets. So I quite like the patch pocket look for this one. I'm gonna go for 2 vents so I can fit over my butt. The lining we're going to do in both burgundy polka dot. Bless you. We're gonna look for functional sleeve buttonholes, which I quite like. And no elbow patches, perfect. Now, pants. I'm gonna go for, I like pleated pants personally. Gonna go for a cuff. I'm also gonna add a side tab to the pants because that way I can wear these as like just a trouser. Great. That's it. All of that took 15 minutes and we are ordered. So the beauty of this, they say 2-week turnaround within Australia to get these out to you. Because it is made to measure, it should be fitting me pretty much perfectly. If there's anything that needs changing when it arrives, they will credit me up to $100 at my local tailor to get this fixed. So I guess now we just gotta wait for it to arrive. So we're gonna do a really cool transition and it'll be here. Told you it'd be a smooth transition. Alright, so we have unboxed the suits here. Having a look now, ready to try and fulfill suit number 1. So this is like the tan checked number we got here, which is actually quite light and nice. So you can see here, it's a fully lined blazer all the way through. Nice and lightweight, it's not too thick. I've actually gone unstructured so it doesn't have like extra canvassing part inside it. It's quite a longer style, which will be interesting to see how it sits on. I went for quite a wide lapel, so I wanted to go for like a real vintage looking suits here, very 70s inspired. So that's how I chose them. They've got like functioning buttonholes down the arms here, very fancy. That was a message on my phone. Yeah, the horn rim buttons. Cool, all right, so let's try it on. And that's the pant right there. So you can see it's quite a looser fit here. I've gone for a pleat right down, which I really like pleated pants. They're a little bit longer than I would normally have, but because I put a cuff into them, I can also cuff them up. So if I want to show a bit of angle, I can just roll those up and have them that way. I've also got the cinch ties here on the sides. The sizing in the pants is a little bit big, I will say that. So I've also lost weight in the last 2 weeks though, which is probably should have taken that into consideration when I ordered these, that I was finishing up a bulk. But I mean, they definitely fit because of the cinch ties. So, and the jacket here, I wouldn't necessarily wear this with a green t-shirt, by the way. I'm just wearing what I was already wearing. Oh, it fits really nice across the shoulders. Fits really well actually. Obviously there's a few little marks here because it's been in the box, but they will steam out. Good length in the arms. You're gonna see the sleeves there. I actually think that fits really well.
Looks good.
Pretty amazing thing. Thanks, man. to think that this is all, like, they've never met me, they've just gone off my like internet measurements. That's pretty impressive. As I've got the double vent at the back there, as you can see there. The reason I do that is because I got a butt that sticks out. If I have a single vent, it often parts because my butt sticks out. So this way it allows it to look a little bit more flattering at the back. Suit number 1, so I would maybe look at taking up the bottom a little bit, potentially, but I'll try it on with shoes, boots. I think I'm actually gonna wear boots with this one, like a Chelsea boot. If you wanna see what it looks like, you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram. That's the trade-off here. I'm gonna post the photos, the full look on Instagram, so make sure you check me out at Nathan. That's right, I'm not Nathan anymore, it's just Nathan. So check that one out. And in the meantime, I'm gonna try on this next suit. So this is the second pair of pants. They're exact same styling, just in the different print. I haven't done up the cinch, so I want to show you the difference between them. The cinch on the sides, it means that if you get your sizing a little bit wrong, you can pull, and that just tightens up the whole pants. That's actually nice and tight on my waistband now. Doesn't change the waist, just puts that little bit of a tuck in the sides. I actually think it looks really cool too. I like that look, but yeah. Again, I really like the pants. I think they're nice. I would definitely wear this separately. I'd just wear these in boots or shoes or whatever, as this is a good look. So, and then the jacket. Again, it's a really great fit. Nice across the shoulders there. It's because it's unstructured, it's not too heavy. I've gone for the patch pockets on this one too, so they're actually the pockets that are sewn onto the top of it. Has a little bit of a different look. Thinner lapels. Again, it's got functioning buttonholes down the sides there, but I think this looks really nice. It's comfy. Got a burgundy polka dot lining on the inside there. Very cool. A few pockets on the insides, little pen pocket. I probably won't use those pockets all that much, it'll change the shape of it, but very happy with how this has turned out. So I will go through and shoot these, give you a little look at how they look on, but I'm not going to show you in this video. You're going to have to go and check out my Instagram. All in all, would highly recommend. This is fantastic. If you're looking for a really quick turnaround, this is 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago we ordered this.
Yeah.
To get a fully custom made suit in the materials, I picked the design, I got the buttons and everything made. It's amazing. I think it's a really good quality, so would recommend. Thank you Indochino for sponsoring this video, but to be honest, I would do this even if they weren't sponsoring me. But I hope they continue to. We'll see you guys next time.